Hello everyone, let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a tree by parts and then we are joining those parts and then the tree is ready. After that, we are gonna move ahead to our next drawing, which is of a hut. First we are making the hut like this and then we are adding a door onto this, and beside the hut we are making a tree, as you can see, so that it looks like the tree is holding the house. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a rock, and beside the rock we have made leaves, and then in the water, remaining water, we have shown that it is a shark who's roaming here, and then we've added details like mountains and sun, and your drawing is ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making an apple tree. First we've made the branch of the tree and then we have added some apples with leaves, and then we are completing the one side with the leaves and the apples as well, and you can color it with any color. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a tree by parts, as you can see. First we are joining the green part and then we are joining it with the branch. Then when it's done, you can color it with any color you want. Just some little detailings on the tree and it's done. Thanks for watching.